Hey there, fellow wordsmiths. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Medium, the platform where ideas come to life, and where writers like you and me find our voice. If you've been itching to share your thoughts, experiences, or expertise with a broader audience, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the essential steps to kickstart your journey as a Medium article writer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie just dipping your toes into the writing waters, stick around because I've got some valuable tips and tricks to share. So, grab your favorite writing tool, settle into your creative zone, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. First, create your free account. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, or with your email. Set up your profile. Add some of your area of interests. You can subscribe to their paid plans. For this tutorial, I will use the free plan. You should update your bio, profile image, and other information of your profile. Press the right button to get started with writing. I will use ChatGPT to write my article. You may write by yourself. Now go back to Medium dashboard and add your article. Now take your time to format and design the article for better user experience. I will add an image related to my article. I will be using Canva tool for design purpose. You can use any other graphic tool such as Adobe tools. Now add the image using the plus icon. Not only images, you can also add videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and from other video platforms. You can also add outbound links. Once you are done with editing, publish the article. You should add meta description for search engines. Meta description helps your article to get crawled nicely by search engines. Here is the live link. Congratulations, the article is now published on medium.com. Share your article to your social channels. And there you have it, folks. Your roadmap to becoming a Medium article writing maestro. Remember, every word you pen has the power to inspire, inform, and ignite change. So, don't hold back. Let your voice be heard and your stories be shared. Whether you're crafting personal essays, thought-provoking think pieces, or practical how-to guides, Medium is your canvas, and the possibilities are endless. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in kickstarting your writing journey on Medium. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Bros AT Tech for more content like this,